My name is Felicia Coomber and I'm an apprentice welder and I work at Locator manufacturing outer booms, small parts. So at college beforehand doing welding, I got my level 1 and I came here to get my level 2 and hopefully become a welder at JCB. I like welding because it's very hands-on. I've had many jobs like behind a desk, and welding, it fit me more, to be honest. On a day-to-day basis I work in small parts, mostly putting things in jigs, tacking, put into the robot, and after they're done in there they move on to booms, which is the next section of the line. I enjoy most about jobs when I get to do big welds because I mostly just do tacking in small parts, so when I get to do rather long welds that's quite enjoyable. When I've gained enough experience in small parts I'll be moving on booms, which is bigger things where the small parts go on to when I'm finished with them. I recommend JCB because they're great people to work for. They're always looking after you and making sure you're okay. And it's also great for training as well. They always make sure you're up to date with things and you know what you're doing. And it's a great place to be welding especially. Well, in the long term at JCB, I'd like to progress as there's a lot of room for young people and apprentices to progress in the business unit and fulfil my skills and climb the ladder really.